Hey Joe, this is Tyler with Leads by Lord I wanted to make this video for you and give you a plan that you could start implementing right away in order to start outranking some of your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here, and one of the first things I noticed was that your URL has clickforward.com in it. I'm not sure what that is. I couldn't get to, active sewer and drain cleaning.com itself. I don't know if the website's down right now, but we're going to go off this one right here. And the first thing that I want to talk about is content. And as I scroll down your page here, right, you have some videos, you have a little bit of content, but with Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on that home page. That way you can rank for specific keywords related to your business and the services that you provide. Otherwise, it looks good. All right, I'm going to click on some of these back pages as well, kind of see what they have going on. And you definitely have some more content here, which is nice. Go into water heaters. Yeah, definitely this page is good, lots of content. The only thing I would recommend is, breaking it up with some pictures, a video, maybe a call out, so you have your book appointment here, you want it maybe in the middle or at the bottom as well. All right, so what I did was I pulled up this site in a tool we use called Eris, and it just shows some data of the website, shows your ranking and the power and the trust of the backlink profile. It doesn't look like there's any data for that. All right, but I'm going to pull up a competitor of yours and show you what they have going on. The first one that comes up when you type in Plumbing Philadelphia, and I'm sure you're aware, is Goodman Plumbing. All right, pretty good company here. Nice website, but definitely not that 1,000 to 2,000 words of content that we talked about. So utilize that tip and put that content on your site. That way you can outrank these guys in that regard. And then as we go into their back pages, we can see you definitely have some more content than them, as long as it's going after the keywords that are buyer intent, and we'll get into that in a little bit. You'll definitely have a good chance of outranking them or getting up on that first page. So I pulled up their report here, and you can see their ranking, the trust flow and power that they have from their backlinks, and they have 134 sites pointing back to theirs. All right, and that just means that certain sites have a link to their site. All right, that's what a backlink is, and it's giving them 3,000 backlinks off of those 134 domains. All right, and then based off of the content on their site, they're ranking for 1,000 keywords, right, 1,100, and you can see the traffic that their site's bringing in. So we click on these keywords, we can kind of get an idea of maybe what we can build some content around, some high buyer intent keywords, high volume here. The first one's Plumber Philadelphia, right? It's 250 searches a month. Okay, and they're ranked #1 for that, so that could be a good one to go after. Philadelphia Plumber, 300 searches a month, same thing. And you can see the traffic that those keywords are bringing in to their certain pages here. All right, Plumber Bucks County, that's a good one. Plumbing Philadelphia, Emergency Plumber Philadelphia. So you get the idea, and like I said, you can see the volume here, right? You're up to, over 1,000 searches a month. Imagine, even a quarter of that going to your site. What would that do for your business? So I pulled up one more competitor here, typing in Plumbing Philadelphia, and you see Bill Frisco here. You can tell on their homepage, right, they don't have a ton of content yet, but their rankings, up there. So let's take a look maybe at one of their back pages. A little bit more, but nothing crazy. Right, you can definitely outrank them by putting in some good quality content, setting up the site nicely, and then creating those high quality backlinks. So let's take a look at their report. You see their ranking here. They've got 59 sites pointing back to theirs, giving them 969 backlinks, and then you can see the traffic, and then they're ranking for 257 keywords, right? And we can take a look at those as well. All right, let's see Plumbing Heating Philadelphia, and we can, see some different ones here as well. Water heater connections, that's a little bit of a general one, right? Not have to do with the area, but Plumbing Heating Philadelphia again. Plumbing Repair Philadelphia. You can get an idea here of different things that you can, rank for on your page. So we talked about content and we talked about the backlinks, right? The last thing I want to touch upon is citations. And what a citation is just your name, your address, and your phone number listed in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. And what that's going to do is boost up your Google My Business listing, right? So when someone types in Plumbing Philadelphia or Plumber Philadelphia, whatever that keyword is that users are typing in Google, Right, they're going to come to here and they're going to see an ad section usually of businesses running ads. They're going to see the map pack, which is where your Google My Business listing will show up at, right? And boosting those citations, optimizing your Google My Business, which we'll get into here in a second, is going to bring you to this top 3 spot. So not many people click on the view all, right? They trust Google's going to send them to the top 3 businesses, all right? And then if they skip the map pack, they're going to head down to the organic section here, all right? And this is where they're going to find your Yelp, your Home Advisor, and different things like that. And then your businesses as well, which, majority of people click on. You see Goodman Plumbers, Bill Frisco here, all right, Guaranteed Plumbing and Heating, etc. So we definitely want to get up here onto this first page. We want to get up into this map pack, and we'll head over to your Google My Business listing to see how we can do that. So the first thing I look for is pictures. Do you have pictures? And then are they saved correctly with keywords, right? Google can't read the actual pictures itself, but they can read the text behind them. So we want to make sure you're saving these pictures correctly with keywords. And you want to add, 30, 40 pictures. Customers like to see, the jobs you're doing, the team that you have, your facility, whatever it might be, anything that encompasses your business. All right, and then you want to make sure you keep up with your Google reviews. You have all your information such as your hours, your phone number, your website's linked. Let's see, I'll just double check. Yeah, perfect. And then you want your address as well. And then last thing, description here. All right, they give you 750 characters to use. You want to max that out. Treat this like your mini website. Add in as much content as you can. And then again, rank for, put in some keywords that you can rank for, that users are searching for. So we talked about the content, adding in high quality content, that 1,000 or 2,000 on the home page, 500 to 1,000 on the back pages. We talked about backlinks. We want to put in high quality backlinks. And then we talked about the citations to boost up that Google My Business listing. I hope you utilize these tips for your business to help get on that first page, to make your business known, to bring in some more customers. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. I look forward to talking to you soon.